In this video, I'm going to teach you how to bill Medicare as a provider. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly bill Medicare as a provider. You will get the most up-to-date information and instructions on how to do this by visiting the CMS website. So go to cms.gov through a web browser on your computer or your phone. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to use the navigation bar at the top to find the information. So go over to Medicare, and then under Enrollment and Renewal, you will be able to choose Providers and Suppliers. So click on this option here, and now you will be redirected to this page, ready to become a Medicare provider or supplier. Now, if you scroll down, you will get information, Medicare Enrollment Guide for Providers and Suppliers. Use this guide if any of the following apply. You are a healthcare provider who wants to bill Medicare for your services and also have the ability to order and certify. You don't want to bill Medicare for your services, but you do want to enroll solely to order and certify. You wish to provide services to beneficiaries but do not want to bill Medicare for your services. And finally, you want to enroll as a supplier who does not dispense or furnish durable medical equipment, prosthetics, orthotics, and supplies. Regardless, as long as you apply here, you will be able to use this to bill Medicare as a provider. So step 1, get an NPI. If you already have an NPI, you can skip over to step 2, but if you don't, you will have to visit the NPPES website. When you click on this option, you will be redirected, and in here you can start the process by creating your account. So go over to Create or Manage Account, and you have to finish this through the CMS page here. So you will be able to include an email address, confirm it, and then enter a lot of personal information, first name, last name, phone number, and so on. Because this contains a lot of personal information, I will not be able to show you this whole process on screen, but as long as you go through this on your own time, you will be able to set up your NPPES account. Once this is done, you will be able to get the NPI issued by the National Plan and Provider Enumeration System. With this in hand, you will need to complete the Medicare enrollment application. So click on this link here, you will be redirected to this page, and once again, you will be able to register for a user account and go through the process. Once you continue and you get the certification here, you complete the application, you will be able to get this done. Now work with your MAC. Your Medicare administrative contractor is a specific person set to the region where you practice, and you may have additional requests for information while they process your application. So click in here and you will be able to contact the one on your specific state. So you will be able to browse through all of the states and then call them to provide your services. I hope I was able to help you on how to bill Medicare as a provider. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.